Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing garden pest control using natural and organic solutions. Pests can be a major problem for gardeners, but there are ways to control them without relying on harsh chemicals. In this video, we'll cover some of the most effective natural and organic methods for controlling pests in your garden. Companion planting. Plant certain flowers, herbs, and vegetables near each other that have a natural pest-repelling effect. For example, marigolds repel nematodes, and basil repels flies and mosquitoes. Diatomaceous earth. This fine powder is made from crushed fossilized algae and is a natural insecticide. It works by cutting through the exoskeleton of pests, causing them to dehydrate. Neem oil. This oil extracted from the neem tree is a powerful pesticide that targets a wide range of pests, including aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Soap spray. A simple solution of dish soap and water can be an effective way to control pests. The soap works by breaking down the pest's protective coating, causing them to dry out. Bacillus thuringiensis, BTBT, is a bacteria that is toxic to certain insects and is widely used as a natural insecticide. It is especially effective against caterpillars and beetle larvae. Copper tape. This tape can be used to create a barrier around garden beds and pots to keep pests like slugs and snails at bay. Pheromone traps. These traps use synthetic pheromones to attract and trap pests, reducing their population in the garden. Ladybugs. Ladybugs are a gardener's best friend, as they feed on aphids and other pests, helping to control their populations. Sticky traps. These simple yellow or blue sticky traps can be placed in the garden to trap pests like aphids, whiteflies, and thrips. Row covers. Row covers are a physical barrier that can be placed over plants to keep pests from reaching them. Hand picking. For small infestations, hand picking pests off plants and disposing of them is a simple and effective solution. Encouraging natural predators. Encouraging natural predators like birds and beneficial insects can help control pest populations in the garden. Garlic spray. Garlic contains sulfur, which is toxic to many pests, and can be made into a spray to control pests like aphids, whiteflies, and mites. Hot pepper spray. Crushed hot peppers contain capsaicin, which is an irritant to many pests. Mixing hot peppers with soap and water can make an effective spray for controlling pests. Crop rotation. Rotating crops can help reduce pest problems by disrupting their life cycle and reducing their populations. Pruning and cleaning. Regular pruning and cleaning of the garden can help reduce pest populations by removing their hiding places and removing diseased or damaged plant material. Stinging nettles. Planting stinging nettles near your plants can help repel aphids and other pests. Beneficial nematodes. These microscopic worms attack and kill pests like grubs, flea beetles, and cutworms, providing natural pest control. Cloves. Cloves contain eugenol, which is toxic to many pests, including ants and mites. Placing whole cloves near plants can help repel pests. Water sprays. A strong blast of water can help remove pests from plants and is a safe and effective solution for light infestations. Mulch. Using mulch in your garden can help suppress weeds, which can act as hosts for pests. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural fungicide and can be sprinkled on the soil to help control fungal diseases and pests like ants and mites. Eggshells. Crushed eggshells can be used as a physical barrier to keep pests like slugs and snails away from plants. Chives. Chives contain compounds that are toxic to pests like aphids and Japanese beetles. Planting chives near your plants can help repel pests. Boric acid. Boric acid is a natural pesticide that can be used to control pests like ants, cockroaches, and silverfish. It is toxic to pests, but relatively safe for humans and pets. There you have it, 25 natural and organic solutions for controlling pests in your garden. By using these methods, you can keep your garden healthy and pest-free without relying on harsh chemicals. Happy gardening!